So right now we're in one of the worst neighborhoods in the whole United States. This is the only place where we could get fireworks illegally. We're gonna take you guys along on this journey. I'm sorry that my face has to be blurred and you can't see who's the one talking here. I hope you guys can still enjoy this video without knowing who is narrating and doing all these illegal activities. It is very important that I disguise my identity because
we're here.
The light's not showing my face.
No, you're good. We can cut this part out.
Yeah, but I was doing the whole thing with the voice disguise and everything because we're doing illegal stuff. All right, let's just go in.
Go around?
Yeah, just bring it back.
You mind if we film a little bit?
That's fine.
We'll blur your face and change your voice.
I don't care about my face.
Okay, f it then.
Just look at that.
These dudes are sketchy looking, man. Are you sure they're cool? What's up, guys? You don't care if we film, right? No.
That's fine, I don't mind.
It's popping.
Well, it's not fun, man. Fireworks and all illegal stuff. Like that.
So what do? You go out, you buy all this shit, and then you come back, you sell it for double?
Not double. I just try to get some profit out of it.
Yeah,
I wish it was double, man. I think I'd be rich off this. What good are you looking for? You looking for something that's high explosion? You're looking for something that's gonna be on the floor? You're looking for something you wanna pop in your hand? What are you looking for? These are the really good ones.
Alright.
Compare these to Roman candles.
And that shit's for chilling.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
That fire alarm doesn't bug you?
Yeah, it bugs me, but I'm never home.
You sleep through that?
When I'm high as fuck, yes.
Well, since we're here, you got anything else you sell illegal that's like dope? Yeah,
Nice.
This is nice. Now, is this the adult version or is this something you would also give to a kid?
That's something you give to a kid. It's 175.
He's creeping me out.
Before taxes.
What is it?
175.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
No problem.
There's actually 180 there, though, so
Okay.
we're gonna need 5 back.
I just met this dude. He's kind of acting scared. He's a fucking white boy. I mean, what can I say?
See, I grew up in the f***ing gang.
I grew up in the fucking gang in the ghetto projects.
See, I killed somebody when I was 8 years old.
I killed somebody when I was 8 years old. Close to 9. This firework shit ain't nothing, man. I hustle for a living.
Say I like sell crack, heroin. I bring
sell crack, heroin. I sell anything on the street. I got a ticket sometimes. I make it sometimes. I flip it sometimes. Do everything with it, man.
Now say this is not just for the YouTube video. This is really my life.
This is not for just a YouTube video. This is actually my real life.
Okay, perfect. Shoot day, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to light off some dangerous fireworks. So we're going out to the desert because we decided fireworks are so illegal in the Los Angeles area because of forest fires, and millions of people lose their homes every year. Usually I would not give a fuck about doing crimes, but this is just stupid and careless if we were to light these off in a dry area. There's a drought going on, all that shit. This makes more sense to do this. I don't know what the f I'm doing.
White niggas.
That was pretty cool. We got the bigger in the car. We're just getting warmed up.
It went down. Wait, hold on.
Jojo, can I talk to you for a second in private?
Yeah.
Anybody on the internet can make firework videos, okay?
You want me to lose my hand?
I don't give a f what it takes.
Worst case, we get on World Star.
Oh shit! Run! Back up! Back up!
Oh shit!
Always remember, safety second, Instagram first. Oh shit! I'm a hero!
Damn, that shit cut me. That's barbed wire. Throw it in there. Welcome to Jess Vlogs, and this is called Predator Missile.
Hell yeah! Oh damn, I feel like we're going to jail. Get the water! Alright guys, if we learned anything, I don't know, I don't even know what to say. I didn't learn anything. Hopefully we don't go to jail for this.